Today's a bit more on the cloudy side, but it's still relatively clear. You can see the Pacific coast of Costa Rica behind me there. And these past 3 to 4 days have been absolutely beautiful. Like one of the best days we've had here in Costa Rica all year. I was actually at the beach the day before yesterday. And I had a really good time, but I didn't get any content for you guys because I was just kind of like practice filming. I wasn't like I was like vlogging up and down the road there, like the little main town in Jaco. I didn't get any like good content for you guys, but I did get some practice in, so that was the main focus of the trip down to Jaco, and I had some fun. I met some people, had a good time. But yeah, so we're talking about. What are we talking about? Like last week, I talked about some NFTs that I thought were pretty promising. Okay, NFTs that are specifically focused on intrinsic value and being able to provide a passive income, right? That is something that I believe is key for financial freedom, right? Don't always think net worth or having a big lump sum of money or large sum of money, but it's income. It's money continuously pouring into that account on a weekly, monthly basis. Daily basis is even better, just money coming in constantly, okay? That's really the key to wealth, right? Passive income. So keeping passive income in mind when we're investing into the crypto world and everything that has to do with this, Web 3.0, the whole decentralized era that we're moving towards, you obviously want to be diverse, okay? You don't want to have all your eggs in one basket. There are extreme cases where I believe that that's a good move, but generally speaking, you don't want to have all your eggs in one basket. You want to be diversified, right? So that means having cryptos, having NFTs, having different types of NFTs from different platforms, different sites, different communities, having different cryptocurrencies, different use cases for crypto, right? Like Chainlink, and Oracle, having Video API, Theta, having Polkadot as well, like just different ecosystems within the cryptocurrency world, right? You want to have DeFi coins, you want to have a little bit of everything, okay? So you're taking advantage of all of the growth of the different sectors of crypto, okay? And if you guys have been following me for some time now, you should have that set up already, right? So once you have the crypto portfolio set up, once you know which coins to invest into, awesome. You're just focused on building that that is your overall focus for 10, 15, 20 years down the line, right? That is your main focus, okay? Meanwhile, there are times to sell and times to be buying, obviously times to be selling like heavy, like selling the majority of your assets, and times to be buying as much as you can, right? Right now, we're towards the end of the time of buying as much as you can. We're pushing mid-December, and we are nowhere near what we were expecting the market to be at this point. If anything, we're actually coming down. So for a lot of you guys that have been following for me for like this whole year and a half, you guys know that I've been saying like the end of 2021, the year that we're in, right? The end of 2021 is when the market was going to have its blow off top. The bull run was going to end, and then we were going to sell everything and then start accumulating at the end of 2023. That's right now it's obviously shifted, right? We're not going to be seeing that play out, okay? Because again, we're mid-December and we're nowhere near where we should be with these coins, right? So for the newer investors, for those that aren't investing the right way, aren't investing the smart way, you guys are bummed, right? Because you wanted to see that money now. For me and smart investors, we're actually very excited. We're very happy because we're able to accumulate more. Okay, now here's the thing. Here's the key, right? This is how it all ties together. The reason that we, the smart investors, are in a good mood, that we're happy, that we're able to accumulate more now that the prices are down and the prices keep going down, knowing that they're going to keep going up, is because of the passive income. For a lot of you guys, it can be active income, but the point is to have your portfolio, have money coming in, you have your expenses covered, right? Whatever living expenses you have, obviously trying to keep that to a minimum as well, and then you have money left over on a weekly basis. Weekly is best, or at least monthly basis, that you can be putting into your portfolio, growing it consistently. Okay, for those that I said are smart investors that are doing it that way, right? You're solid because you're happy that the prices keep going down. You're able to buy more. You're not like looking for that quick money now. You're smart. You're playing the long-term game, okay? That's where everybody should be in that position, okay? A lot of you guys are newer to the space. You started investing this year. Maybe you started investing at the peak of the market and then everything's just started coming down. I understand the position you're in. I've been in that position before. It really sucks, but just know that it's part of the game. It's part of the ups and downs. You want to play the crypto game. You want to make a lot of money in crypto. Cool. And that's just part of it. You know what I'm saying? If you want to play football, you want to play basketball, you're going to lose a couple games here and there. It's just part of the game. It's part of the system, right? You want to get into crypto, there's going to be ups, there's going to be downs. For those that invest in the stock market long term, there are times when the market crashes. There are times when the portfolio is not looking so good. It is what it is, right? So once you get to the point where you're smart and you know what you're doing and you know that you're making solid investments, you become emotionless. It doesn't affect you. It's just a system that you play. You dollar cost average in, you're buying in consistently, you're chill, you sit back, you relax. The market's up one day, it's down the next. So what? When the market's looking really green, everything's looking like, wow, everything's really blowing off and everybody's ecstatic and everyone's like, yeah, I'm making so much money. That's like the energy that you feel when we're near the top. So that's a good time to take profits, right? If that goes in line with your risk management and the way that you want to set up your portfolio, go ahead and sell in some coins, sure. Are you going to maximize gains doing it that way? No, right? Maximizing gains would be to wait till the very end to take profits. Obviously, if you want to take profits along the way and then kind of play it like a trader's mindset and then buy back in when the market comes back down, you can do that. A lot of people get caught though because they don't have the patience. They just don't know what they're doing, right? Trader's mindset and investor's mindset, two very different things. I promote and preach trying to apply both, right? So having that portfolio that you're passively growing, right? If you have the free time and you want to trade, right? If you want to get into trading, it's a whole thing in and of itself, right? For those that like to trade and want to get into that, cool. For those that trading isn't for you, cool. Like, don't get into trading, okay? It's just, I like to promote it that way. But yeah, like I was saying, so you want to have that passive income, okay? The passive income is key. You can build the passive income through Web 3.0, through the crypto world, right? Buying certain cryptocurrencies that provide a passive income, Theta and T-Fuel. I've had multiple videos explaining how beautiful that little ecosystem is for you to just have this just a waterfall of passive income coming in with those two coins. Just beautiful passive income, okay? So a lot of people already have that set up and you're straight. There, in my opinion, there is a time where I'm going to sell all my Theta and T-Fuel, just everything. And I'm going to buy right back in. Not right back in. I'm going to buy in when the time comes, okay? That's how I like to play the markets. But, it's like you sell and then, months later, you're buying back in. You know what I'm saying? It's a long-term play, okay? But, yes, you want passive income. You can build passive income through the crypto world. And you can also build passive income through NFTs, okay? Now, that's what I want to be looking at, okay? I'm letting you guys know. This little seed needs to drop in your head. NFTs that provide a passive income, okay? Because you're going to have cryptos that provide a passive income. You're going to have different, not only do you have coins that provide staking, but you've got masternodes. You have coins that obviously offer staking. You've got, coins on DeFi platforms, right? Stable coins providing you passive income. You want to be diverse, have a little bit of everything, okay? And having those stable coins that are staked and providing you that passive income on DeFi, when the market has a huge drop, like a crazy drop, that's also a good time to take a nice, 10% of your stablecoin holdings or whatever you feel comfortable with, buy up some coins. You could even buy up some coins, let the market come back up, because when there's a crash, it'll always come up the next couple days, 2 to 3 days. You let it come up a bit, and then you can actually sell some of those coins, put back all the stable coins that you had taken out, right? So you're back at zero with that, and you still have some more free coins to play around with, do whatever you want with, okay? That's always a good move. That's a freebie. Whenever you see a market crash, you should be happy. You should never feel bad when the market crashes, okay? Let me put it to you like this. Those that are new to the market, those that are relatively young to all this investing stuff, when they see the market crash down like that and they get emotional, that's a bad sign, okay? When you're a veteran, you've been through the ups and downs, and you see a market crash and you feel good because you're able to cop up some real cheap coins, that's exactly where everybody wants to be, okay? That's where I want you to be if you're watching this video, all right? So, passive income with multiple different, ecosystems within cryptocurrency. Aside from that, you also want to have NFTs that provide passive income. I mentioned one last week's video. that I think looks pretty promising, and also I'm going to be looking for, you know, newer opportunities, but that's the main focus, right? NFTs that provide passive income is what I'm looking for. And yeah, guys, so that's pretty much it. If you guys want to sign up for one-on-one mentorship with me, you can through the Patreon link in the description below. Please drop a like on the video, comment down below, and subscribe with your post notifications turned on. Guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.